Hey everybody, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. We are looking at this 2023 Sea Ray 290 SDX trade that was lift cap with twin 250 Mercury Verados. This has the stone interior, nice sun pad here on the back, great for lounging. Nice walk through, so you're not again stepping on your cushions. The whole, all the sea deck is throughout the cockpit of the boat. Look at this lounger. This is great for just tooling down the bay. You know, if you're a sandbar guy, going out to dinner, just kind of cruising, any kind of water sports. You have a wet bar here that has hatches. You have a refrigerator. Additional seating here behind the helm. Great space for all your life vests. Here's your helm seat here that is adjustable, moves forward and aft. This has the digital dash, so it's a 12-inch SIMRAD. It's all your GPS, chart plotter, sounder, Mercury engine data. Everything is all built into one unit. Very simple. All touch. Digital throttle and shift. This also has the joystick, so this is great for docking for all you novices. This is a great way to learn. A lot of neat features with this that we will teach you how to run and operate. Look at all this cockpit space. A lot of room in here. Storage in the floor. Passenger chair over here. Have a small glove box. And look at the size of the head compartment. So this is a vacuum flush holding system that'll go down into a holding tank. Okay. Walking forward. You have plenty of room up here. Nice armrest, this way you can kind of kick back. Storage under all of the chairs. You have plenty of room. I'm pretty tall, so you have a lot of room up here. It also has a great sound system in this thing. Has a windlass with a stainless anchor. And a hatch, shut that down like that. Forward shower for rinsing off your anchor. A lot of nice room up in here. So you have plenty of room for all your guests. So this way, if you're going to be tooling around, water sports activities, everything. But this is a great day on the water with your family. Go out and have a good time. And if you want to see this boat or anything else, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. See you on the water.